Hello children. Till now we have learnt about animal husbandry and about poultry in the chapter production of food for animals. Now in this class we are going to learn about apiculture. What is apiculture? The production means production of honey. We call it as apiculture. It may be in the natural or in the artificial form. In the natural form, the honeybee itself will make it hives and they produce the honey by observing the food from the plants, that is nectar. They observe the nectar from the plants and they prepare this honey in the hives. Whereas in the artificial one, the man prepares the artificial hives. Why they are preparing means to culture honey. What is the use of culturing honey? Means it is good for our health. So it is one of the important food product which is useful for our body. So that's why they are harvesting just like other things. So it may be in the natural or artificial form. So apiculture is the culture of honeybees. It is called artificial. So naturally, automatically they will do itself. But we are culturing. So we call that as apiculture. By this apiculture only in the market, now we are getting different varieties, like different varieties of honey. Not varieties, the companies. They are producing, different companies producing the honey. This is the artificial meal. So, the honey production, if it is in the natural form, they not only produce the honey, but also helps for the process of pollination. What is pollination? That you will already have learned in the earlier chapters about the reproduction. In the chapter reproduction of plants, how the pollination takes place and how they prepare. Means due to the pollination, only the plant can able to develop a fruit from the flower. So that is the pollination. So not only for the production of honey, but also for the production of, for the process of pollination, the honeybees are plays an important role. So it is also an important. Honeybees species are many types. Among them, the 6 important are Apis dorsta, Apis indica, Apis florae, Apis mellifona, Apis trigona and Apis crenella. These are the 6 important species, means varieties of honeybees which are used for the production of honey. Among them, Apis cinerea, that's the Apis cinerea. It gives 3 to 10 kgs of honey per year. Means these species, see, it gives same as cows, buffaloes, in that also we have learned, which gives more production, more yield of milk. Same as this Apis cinerea gives 3 to 10 kgs of honey. Means they produce 3 to 10 kgs of honey per 1 year. Same as some European bees, they produce nearly 25 to 30 kgs of honey per year. See how much difference is there. Means the European bees can produce more yield when compared to these. If you go deep into this, the production of honey, what is present in the honey hives? That is nothing but combs, the whole like structures. They are called hives. In that honeybees only you can see 3 types of honeybees. In that the first one is the queen. Only single queen is present in one hive, and thousands of workers and few hundreds of drones. The queen, the main function of the queen, it is only single. There is only one queen in the hive. The main function of the queen is to lay eggs. It lays nearly more than 800 of eggs. So, the queen can lay eggs. The main function is to lay the eggs, and its lifespan is 1 to 2 years. Whereas the workers are nothing but the females which are present in the hive. We call them as workers. Their lifespan is 5 to 6 years. The males, we call them as drones. Their lifespan is just 57 days. So, the function of queen is to lay eggs. But the workers, that is the females, they live 3 to 4 weeks in the hives itself and secrete jelly, royal jelly. They secrete royal jelly. After 3 to 4 weeks, again they also involve in the outdoors, means that is outside of the hive. Whereas first 3 weeks they will live inside the hives and just they will produce that royal jelly. After these production, means after 3 to 4 weeks, they also involve in the collection of nectar along with the drones. So, next the drone's function is helps in the mating. The main function of the drone is they participate in the mating. So, this is about the 3 types of honeybees which are present in the hives and their functions, their lifespan. Next, the source of nectar. What is the source of nectar? How the honeybees are getting nectar? We call it as bee flora. Bee flora. Here flora is nothing but food, bee food. That is nothing but nectar and pollen which are present inside the flowers. They will collect their food from the nectar and pollen. So, the bee flora is nothing but nectar and pollen liked by the bee. We call it as bee flora. Bee flora. Along with these bee flora, means with the help of these bee flora, they are able to produce honey. They are able to collect the nectar from cotton, like some timber, herbs, timber. There are from different kinds of flowers. They collect these nectar and helps in the production of honey. If you see, the honeybee is not only helpful for the production of honey, but also helpful for the production of bee wax and bee venom. Bee wax, this is used as a polish creams and also in the nail polish preparations. So, this is used in the preparation of nail polish and polish creams. Whereas the bee venom, it is used for the treatment, that is homeopathic treatment. They will use as a medicines. So, it is not only giving the honey, which is helpful for our body. It helps to give immunity to our body. The honey, mainly we call it as immunity booster, and gives bee wax and bee venom, which are used for the medicinal purpose and for also the industrial purpose. So this is about the apiculture, why they are culturing the honey bees, what is the necessary of the honey bees to produce for the production. So children, in the next class we are going to learn about the fishiculture. Thank you. See you in the next class.